Another video from Kardon Haynes. This is our BMW 4 Series at 420 that came in part exchange on our 435d on Monday. This is the Gran Coupe. Really nice specification on this car. It has the 19-inch alloys with the M Sport brakes. These alloys are to be refurbished by our wheelman, so they will be refurbished before sale. As you can see, we have added the gloss black kit, the kidney grills, the side skirts, the rear spoiler and the rear diffuser. Again, it sets the car off. We do like to do this with these cars, as well as the exterior highlights. We've got privacy glass. This car has got the Harman Kardon stereo. It's got the professional nav. We have heated seats. This car also, the last customer has put some carbon fibre inserts which look very, very nice indeed, adding to the car. This car also has the leather with the white piping on it. Okay. There's the rear of the car. Also has the electric boot on this one. There you go. So as usual, we offer finance, part exchange available. If you go to our website www.cartonhaynes.co.uk or call us on 01244 570 814. Thanks for looking.